What up, everybody? Thanks for stopping by. This is going to be a special episode. As you gamers know out there, Season 4 of Diablo 4 just came out probably a week and a half ago. By the time this video comes out, probably 2 weeks ago. But I figure I bought these Upper Deck Blizzard Legacy collections, and I figured now's a great time to get into it since there's a little special event going on in the world of Blizzard. It's your boy, Trey.
And your boy, Hans. Just adding more to our repertoire here.
We get into everything, and this is definitely part of everything. I'm actually looking forward to seeing what's in here. I'm hoping I get some Kerrigans. I don't really know what's in here. I haven't looked at anything. I haven't looked up anything. I just know that there's 56 per. But I hope I get some Kerrigan. Jim Raynor will be cool. Because, you know, Trey, Ray, Ner. Anyway. And yeah, that'd be cool to get some like Warcraft characters too. I really don't know what's in it, but let's just get into it. You got any special notes to add while I'm opening these up?
Nah, I'm just curious to see what the art looks like on these because we've played the game a lot.
Yeah, and I don't know what's in it. I don't even know if Tyrael or anybody's in here, but hey, let's see. Oh, there you go. Yeah, Tyrael. So yeah, he's in here. But let's just look at some cool art. I'm hoping because Blizzard fans out there know they got some cool art. I'm pretty sure there's some Overwatch in here. I mean, it's Legacy, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll set that aside and then do this one. Let's not cover our cool logo. Also, we got the break mat in. This is our first episode with the break mat. We're still waiting to get Hans' break mat over to him. So in the next couple of episodes coming up, you'll probably just see one break mat, but then we'll have some for Hans as well. So yeah, we got things going, new things coming up. So let's get into it. Whoa.
Oh, that's dope.
What is this? A rock. Oh, World of Warcraft. Hey, there it is. There's the Overwatch.
Overwatch.
Yeah. Dang. I'm gonna set them up by like game. How about that? We got Tracer. Ooh, a red. I guess this is a parallel, right? Because it's red. But there goes the Warcraft I was talking about. There's Jaina, Proudmoore. Ooh, here goes the StarCraft, my fave, a Stalker. Another World of Warcraft. See, oh, that was a parallel. Look, it's just silver. Okay, so the colors are parallels. Oh, here's what we were just talking about. It's Diablo himself. Diablo. There's a zealot. A regular zealot. And that's pretty cool, man. Not bad. Oh, wait. Where'd I pull from? Right side.
Right.
Yeah, right side first. Man, okay. All right. I see what we're getting into. This is pretty interesting. Upper Deck coming out with some Blizzard cards. Are there other companies that carry Blizzard cards?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Oh, man, this is from Hearthstone. Interesting. Okay, so now I gotta make 6 piles. 6 piles here.
I have a feeling you're gonna get more.
Think so? Like every game they have. Oh man, who's this guy? Etc. Oh, this is Heroes of the Storm, right?
Is it?
Oh, these are Heroes of the Storm. These are Heroes of the Storm, not Warcraft. This is the Warcraft. This one. And so this is Heroes of the Storm. Okay, so this is pretty much the 6 games. Okay. Another Heroes of the Storm. Greymane. Nice.
I've never played HOTS.
What is this? Deckard Cain die cut? Not cut.
Cain.
What? We were just talking about it. This is the reason why we're here. It's a Horadric cube. What is that?
That's pretty cool.
Whoa. And it's HC21, so there's more than one. But Deckard came. Stay a while and listen. What? That's cool. I'm like shaking on that one. I don't want to mess it up.
Got a red.
Okay, got a red. Hey! Oh no, that's just a Marine. That's Tychus Findlay. That's not Jim Raynor. Yeah, no. Heroes of the Storm.
Oh, what?
Oh man, that's cool. So red parallels, huh? Okay. Hey, here we go. Leoric.
Leoric.
Hey, what? Did I really get a Deckard Cain in a Deckard Cain in the same thing? Okay. Diablo heavy. I'm down. This is what we were opening it for. Phoenix, one of my favorite characters from StarCraft. Cool. Hey, man, the art. I mean, I always like their art. What are you thinking so far? Hands?
I like the art, definitely. It really
cool.
reminds me of the graphics of Diablo. So kind of just seeing it like on pictures.
Nice. Lunara. Okay. Hearthstone. I played it a couple times. I'm not a huge Gul'dan from Hearthstone. I mean, I'm not huge. Wait.
Overwatch and Diablo are the ones that I played.
Okay. Malfurion Stormrage. We have a Manoroth from Warcraft. Ooh, nice. Ogwyn. Red Parallel. Whoa, look at that art. That one's cool. From Diablo, Avala, basically an assassin.
Assassin, yeah.
That's cool art. It's like hand drawn. Oh,
that guy
This guy.
Fresh
meat.
Yeah, fresh meat. Yeah. I took his friggin' knife though.
Yeah, seriously. And then what is this? Who is he? Oh, it's Grommash Hellscream. One of the Warcraft characters.
Don't know that guy. I don't know that guy.
Me? I do know that guy. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think that Haradra cube was the hit of the pack so far.
The one so far, yeah, dude. The cube.
Interesting. Die cut style. Okay, we have a Gorosh Hellscream. Look, his cousin. This one goes there. Whoa, rock and roll racing. Okay, so for those that don't know, this was one of the first games they made along with that Lost Viking game. And I actually really love this on the Super Nintendo. I played the crap out of this game. Pretty cool. That's actually throwback and I like it.
Nice.
I'm going to put that right here. And then Cassia. Don't know who that is. Can't say I do.
Got you a red there.
Got you Zul from Heroes. Red Parallel. Oh, yes! Sarah Kerrigan. That's exactly who I was looking for. That's sick. This is when she was a ghost before she turned into Kerrigan. Nice. Like that one. We got a Mephisto.
Nice.
A lot of Mephisto runs in my time. Thrall. Nice. Okay. And a Volin Darkspear. Oh, a troll. On his raptor. That's pretty sick. That's cool art.
Raptor,
Yeah, that's cool art. Mounted up. That one's pretty sick. Man, these are cool. Man, I'm kind of sad I didn't get more. I go back and I don't see these ever again. So that's like the interesting thing. Mercy. Ooh, here, Overwatch. Lady Vashi. Oh, Blackthorn, the other classic. Nice. Dude, the legacy here. That's cool. These are definitely video games, for sure. Khadgar, don't know who that is. Nice. Is that a Grommash Hellscream?
Oh, thank you.
In a red parallel? Sick. I got a Osmodon. Nice. That's the first landscape style for Diablo card. And then we have a Varian Rin, Warcraft, and a Adept. Good character. Good class character, if you will.
Class character.
right? Because it's just a regular dude. Might as well say it's a SCV.
I have to step away real quick. I'll be right back.
All good, all good. I got a Illidan. Nice, Illidan. Cool, cool. We got a Kira. Akama. Nice. Oh my gosh. We got that's pretty sick. But he's from Heroes. Oh, I'm mixing my piles. Nice. We got a Maghoa. Hellbat. Nice. Use that guy a lot. We got a Siege Tank, one of my favorite units. I am a Terran player. Thank you very much. And a Anduin Rin. Man, this is pretty fire. This is pretty cool. As a longtime Blizzard fan, don't like all the issues they've gone through. These cards are cool though. Oh dang, that's not. That's the same one. I got that one. Tychus Findlay. I was hoping we get a gym already. We got another Zool. We got another. Oh, that's not the red parallel. That's cool. So that's the regular. We have a Malgok. Nice dragon. That's sick. Ooh, Nova Terra red parallel. Sick. That's tight. We have a Rakanoth. We have a Aurea. And another Jaina. Jaina Proudmoore. Nice. So that's the first pack. I'm going to set these aside. We'll be right back.
That was box one.
Oh, yeah. That was the first box. Thanks for the correction. Box 2. So, yeah, these are blasters. Legacy collection. Let us know if you've opened these up before. I'd be
When
interested.
you got those, did you see like bigger ones, like a mega box
No.
style too?
No,
Oh, okay.
the shelf was pretty empty. As per every time in my area, shelves are always empty. But look, as I was talking about it, we got it. The Lost Vikings themselves. There they are.
That's so cool.
That's pretty sick. Ooh, nice. Genji. Overwatch. One of my favorite characters. Lady Ladrin. Oh yeah, I think this was here. This one was here. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, what? Zul'jin? What? Red parallel. Nice. Like that one. Love the
The
trolls.
details on these things are crazy, man.
Dude, these are sick, man. I got a Tassadar. Because he has super cool voice. I think I'm going to just do it like this now. Well, I don't know. Well, I already messed it up anyway. Here we go. It's not an SCV, but it's a drone. Close enough. There we go.
Right.
That's what I was talking about. And then we have a ball. Nice. And an Arthas. Whoops. Arthas before he went all BA. Oh no, that is his BA. That is Lich King style. That's pretty much the last expansion I played, I think. Or no, Cataclysm, which was after. Lich King? Cataclysm. I think it was Lich King. Was it? Cataclysm?
I don't know.
Either way, I just remember I didn't go past the 5th one. Hey, here goes an RPM Racing. What? Radical Psycho Machine Racing. I honestly don't know that game. Do you?
I don't remember that one now.
No, I do not. I'll set this aside here. We have a Wrecking Ball.
I remember
Nice.
that. Yeah.
Yep, that guy's cool. That guy's cool. Oh, back-to-back Overwatch. Got an Ash. Thrall. Nice. Man, I'm actually really enjoying these cards. So it's like my throwbacks. We have another Garrosh Hellscream, red.
Red.
Just get that one? Oh no, this was Heroes. Okay, that makes sense. We have a Terran Gorefiend. Whoa,
Whoa.
cool. Cho'Gall. Love those ogres. And then a Duriel. Nice. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, he kicked my butt.
Yeah,
The,
Duriel's crazy.
Yeah, man. Playing my assassin. Duriel kicked my butt in Diablo 5 in Diablo 4. Campaign mode. It's a campaign trying to open these things. Magni Bronzebeard. Alright. We got a Sergeant Hammer in a siege tank. That's cool. Elise Starseeker. Our red parallel is Imperious. Hey, look at that. That one's nice.
Imperious. Yeah, that one is cool.
We got a Sargeras. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that one right. We got a Belial. Nice. Another boss. Another boss. We got a Gom. Another boss. Nice, nice.
Looks crazy.
And a Lady Vashi. Yeah, archer style. Love me the archers.
Being an archer with multiple arms.
Dude, that'd be so sick. You'd always have an arrow ready. Arrow knocked and ready, man. We got an Echo. And we have an Ana. Ooh, back-to-back Overwatch again to start. Another RPM Racing. See, look at that. It looks like rock and roll racing, but it's not.
It looks like Excitebike with cars.
Yeah, seriously. Oh,
Ooh,
Butcher!
Another cube.
Fresh meat. Doof, 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 doof. Cool.
Oh, that one's cool.
Oh, sick. A red Lucio. Nice. Andurin again. We have... Oh, just a Zergling. Don't get Zergling rushed, though. And then we have an Inaris. Dude.
You got one cube per box.
One cube per box, right? Yeah, exactly. I wonder if that's does the other games have like a special like die cut thing?
I have no idea.
Me either, man. That's interesting. We have an Anub Arak again. I think we had that already. Another Overwatch character. This one is Pharaoh. And another Tracer. We got Nemesis, Necrofizzle. Fancy. We got a Medivh. Ooh, he's from the movie.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. We got a Uther. Uther Lightbringer. Whoa, Leah. Whoa. Cool. Just a normal person. But main story person. Kurdron Wildhammer. Can you tell I don't know who that is? But he's riding a Griffin. I can tell you what he's riding. Shoots. Man, the art though.
The art, dude, yeah. I was
Definitely enjoying the art.
very pleased with that.
Yeah, man. I'm happy
That's what I was looking for.
Yeah, me too, right? Happy I got a Genji though. We got an etc. again. We have a Greymane again. Okay, double. We have a Lunara. Red parallel in this one. Ooh, is the Lost Vikings. Nice.
Ooh.
Oh, and the art is different.
It
Oh.
is.
Interesting.
They're like in action in that one.
Oh, it's because it's not part of this one. This one doesn't
got
have
you.
the logo at all. It's just a natural game itself. Ha! But see, there you go. Lost Vikings. That's what I was talking about. We got a. Is this really a probe? Oh my gosh! I got some probes. Cool. Trying sound effects. I can't get them. Black hand, nice. Ah, Tychus again, dude. I was gonna say, is this him? Where's my Jim Raynor at? We got a Valerian Mensk. Never liked that guy.
I don't even know who that guy is.
He was like the Terran that was always like, oh, we must kill the Zerg kind of guy. So, I'm all about peace within the three. We're just the universe, man, trying to live it out. Gul'dan, nice. We got a Malfurion, basically a druid. And a Manoroth again. Ooh, look at that red one. Ooh, look at this! What? Overwatch. Got a little dimensions action.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Emotes? Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so everybody does have like a fancy insert. At least I'm glad I got one for the Overwatch. Man, imagine if we got one for Genji. That'd been sick. We got a Turalon. We got a Tyrande. Whisperwind. No clue. Hey, we got a Pandarian. And his name is Chen. Chen Stormstout. Ooh, that's pretty sick. And to end it off, we got a Ariel. Sick.
To end it.
To end it. Exactly why we opened these, because Diablo 4 just came out with Season 4. There it is. Well, I would buy some more if I could find some more.
Well, that's a very, very interesting blaster box just because it contains multiple things in it.
Yeah, exactly. It's pretty much every Blizzard game you could think of, from the start to now, right?
Pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Got the classics. I got a Blackthorn. That was crazy. In the other box, would have never saw that if I didn't open two. And then the Rock and Roll Racing was pretty hit in the other one, whereas this one got RPM and the Lost Vikings. Overall, I'd say it was pretty cool. Each pack, it seems like you get a Hawaja cube, which is funny because they don't even have the cube in Diablo 4. So you got to know where that came from in order to know where that came from. And yeah, let me just go back to that Genji because that one was pretty fire. I think that was the first one of this one. And there you go. Just a regular old Genji. But there it is. Man, would buy again. Not gonna lie. If I could find it, that's the hard part.
Yeah, it's hard to find anything these days.
Yeah, man, anything. I mean, I thought I'd be able to come back and there'd be more, but not this either. So there you go. Things are hot, man. Everybody's buying up cards nowadays. More power to the cards. Trading cards. There it is.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed that.
Definitely. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned. And see you on the next one.
See you next time, everybody.
Peace, peace.